Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Slow DNS on Zivpn VPN using the UDP custom website. I'll guide you through every step to ensure you get a smooth and secure connection. Plus, I'll show you how to set up your very own Slow DNS server, so stick around for that. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It helps the channel a lot. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, open your web browser and type UDP Custom into the search bar. Hit enter, and from the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our Slow DNS server. Once you're on the home page, look for a menu button, usually in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the Slow DNS server option. You'll be redirected to the server location selection page. Now, choose your preferred server location from the list. After that, you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here's what you need to do. Enter your username. Complete the CAPTCHA. Click Create Now. Your server details will be generated instantly. Be sure to note these details or copy them, as you'll need them later in the setup process. Next, open the Play Store app on your device and search for Zivpn app. Click on the app and then tap Install to download it to your device. Once the app is installed, hit Open to launch it. Once you're on the app's home screen, check the box for Slow DNS. You'll see a box above the Start button. This is where you'll paste the required details: username, password, IP address, port. After entering the data, tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner to expand the menu. From the menu, select Slow DNS Settings. A new window will open. In this window, for the domain name, type 8.8.853. Paste the name of your server, enter the public key in the respective field. Once you've filled in everything correctly, click Apply to save your settings. Then, head back to the app's home screen. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate your VPN connection. To verify the connection, swipe right to check the connection log. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a successful connection log. And that's it! You've successfully connected to a Slow DNS server in Zivpn VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.